That's enough.
Oh, we got it.
There you go, Mr. Vandergaard.
This way.
I'm...
Damn.
Look at him. Oh.
This is too much this side.
You only do a certain one.
Yeah, move and look.
Oh, I feel some air in here.
Yes, right here.
Girl, yes, it's air in here. Everywhere else ain't been no air. I don't know what they were trying to do there.
Fan blowing over there, but ain't no air.
Oh.
Y'all see that fan by that shop?
Oh.
At least it's cool.
Y'all see that little sweat?
Yeah.
Still cool.
It's hot, y'all.
Stop. Then all the other one.
Look at Amber. Look at Amber. Think she good over there. Look at her. Look at her.
I don't know what the room is doing, but it's not.
This is the coolest one we've been in.
I know everything else been hot.
You know you my favorite came. I can't listen. I need to say it. I need to say it.
Open the door.
That was close. Nope. But
Yeah, the other one.
this one's gonna fly. Go.
Go hit. Oh.
Oh. Way to go, Autumn.
Can you try now?
Well, you cannot.
Come get up, Bella. Let him try. Get up.
The other way.
Hit it.
We going to the third floor now?
Okay, put it down.
I can't do it hard.
That was so
Hand
close.
up.
It's so hard.
Are you trying to throw it through to me?
Hey, how you doing?
You can do this. Take your time.
Move your hand. Almost, see?
Mine don't work.
You gotta get it straight. See if it's off, it's not gonna work. Always gotta be straight, okay?
Almost. Knock the cup down. Almost.
Let's get it in the cup, Savannah.
How do you get it so straight?
Be careful.
Hey,
I did it.
Oh.
come right here. Gotta do it fast.
Yeah, she went to the restroom in the middle of doing it.
Yeah, we don't want that.
You
wanna drop it in?
yours.
Okay, drop it in.
That one.
Put the lid on. 3.
Hold on 1 second.
You gotta make sure it's closed. Step back. That was a good.
You gotta hurry put that top on there. Hold on a second. Go. Okay.
Sure. You need a container with a lid, and you need one that's empty.
Oh.
You gotta shake it up a little bit. Get it a bit more.
Oh Lord, don't shake it up. No, don't do that. We gonna lose our eyeball.
Oh no.
Okay.
It's done, Belle. It's done.
Wait, I didn't even get to get a big one.
Screaming. That was my favorite part.
Ashton have his?
You ready?
You finna do it.
Get your lid.
Why didn't I just
Get your
Get your lid. You're not listening.
Get your lid. Ready? Put your lid on. You gotta be fast. Come on. Watch your fingers.
That's
We
what
don't want to
happened.
pinch your fingers. And then I'm gonna put it over there. Step back.
Nah,
I don't think it's gonna be that dramatic, but we can. We'll wait and see. Which
I did this. It went automatic as mine. Oh well, it hit my foot.
you gotta have some.
It was doing that.
Gotta wait, son.
Not all good blasts come right away.
That's right.
Look how it's expanding. You can
See?
see the sides moving.
It's about to pop.
Whoa.
Mine did the same thing, Ashton.
About took me out, but sure.
You've already had one.
It ain't doing. It ain't doing now. You gotta get the soda. Get the drink and try it.
What's the drink?
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah.
The frozen drink.
What do I have to dip it in?
No, you supposed to have got it whenever it was cold, and then you put it on your mouth and it sticks to your tooth.
Made of soda and liquid nitrogen.
Gotcha. I gotta go. Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, these are still too cold for our body. We don't want a lot of the vapors.
But we need to wait for them to heat up. It's still hot open. They open the top. It's still hot.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yes!
Are they old? It has a red one.
That's a good one. Yeah.
I'll be all right. We're gonna have a good time.
You on time, Ashton?
I got it.
Pick it up and throw it in the trash. Pick it up off the floor and throw it in the trash.
I think right now.
We seem like I can't touch you.
Mine tastes like Dr. Pepper.
Does it?
Cola. Coca-Cola? It's Coca-Cola.
Y'all did.
Okay. Put it in your mouth. Okay. Is this one getting blown? Okay.
Hey, don't blow it on nobody. Do not blow it on nobody.
So we've been in and out, back and forth, but it's not. Okay. Sit down here. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah, we went back and forth.
What you got? Oh, it's squishy. Look, I thought that was a cookie you were finna eat.
This lid don't fit. It wasn't you, it was the lid. One more time. Step back. That one's gonna blast you.
Wait, are you sure it's going to last big?
Am I sure?
He said, "I'll put my glasses on." There.
And it demonstrates how objects tend to stay in motion with the same speed of direction unless the force.
And what force is holding it in place? What's holding you on the ground? Huh? Gravity. Gravity is holding you. So I want you to let them know that gravity is holding that in place. And once you move that out of place, gravity is going to operate. It's going to pull it straight down. Let them do it first. Let them try it. Then you show them.
All right.
Okay. Pick it up. Pick it up, right there, Bella.
Be the steel.
So put your finger in it. Wait, no, like that, like this. You're gonna push it this way, as hard as you can. But first you gotta put this on top. Yeah, I got it. So it's gonna
Showing you how to do it.
it's gonna fall straight down.
No, he didn't say tap it on the side.
It's all right. Got it.
Watch your head. Alright, how many you get? That's two. How many you do?
The mom said it gets.
Oh, okay.
So he's gonna go. So thank you.
Oh, way to go.
That was a
I don't remember. Come on. Hey.
Come on, lady.
I
I think it's fifth grade. Is this fifth grade?
What
fifth
grade is
grade?
this?
This 8th grade.
Eighth grade. Oh, okay.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Quick.
Okay. Look, let's stop playing because we're at the stairs.
Let's say it out. all the steps.
That's a lot of steps to go down.
Wait, come here. Now where we going?
So y'all ain't doing that.
You got it, now slide it inside.
Slide it? No, no.
Come on. Got 6 fingers so far.
Put your finger inside.
It is.
He got it in there.
Got it.
Way to go, Kaden.
Hey, you did it.
All right.